80% of phishing websites are designed to work on mobiles. Android and iOS vulnerabilities are soaring. Mobile app stores are filled with malware. Are we supposed to throw away our phones to stay safe? No. Here's how to know if your phone was hacked and how to deal with it. Figuring out is your phone hacked or not can be a bit tricky, but if you're already raising the question, is my phone hacked? Well, you've likely noticed something strange. Maybe your battery is draining unusually fast, or maybe your phone's glitching and overheating without seemingly any reason behind it. High data usage is another thing to look out for. I mean, if it's TikTok or YouTube, then that's probably normal, but random apps appearing in the data usage lists is a red flag. Finding apps you don't recognize isn't a great sign in general. Same goes for strange files appearing on your phone. Oh, random verification requests you didn't initiate are common as well, especially if somebody's actively trying to break into your account. You might also notice odd notifications and pop-ups or ads that should definitely not be there. That's how I noticed my phone was hacked a couple of years ago. Thankfully, that was just some easy to remove adware. Lastly, if you're noticing that your camera and mic indicators are on for no reason, that's a potential malicious activity sign as well. My phone was hacked, how do I fix it? Breathe in, breathe out, and let's get to work. 1. Get one of many antivirus for phone options and run a scan. That's the first thing I did when my phone was hacked, and it caught and removed the malware right away. 2. Change all of your passwords where possible. Choose the option to log out of all other devices, and add two-factor authentication when you can for some additional security. 3. If your payment credentials were compromised, contact your bank right away. They'll block your card and your account if needed and help you through the whole process. 4. Inform your contacts not to open any links that could be sent by your impersonators. And if you use your phone for work, let them know as well. They'll block access to prevent any further damage. And 5, in case you're still worried about phone security, the ultimate way to secure your mobile phone is to do a factory reset. This will wipe all your data. If you have a data backup, you're in luck. But if not, do not back up your files while still dealing with malware. It's a completely free ticket that will get it right back on your phone once you restore the backup. Okay, now that you know what to do if your phone was hacked, here's how to stay safe in the future. For starters, make sure that all your new passwords are strong. Leave your cat's name out of it, and no password 123, not on my watch. I'd also suggest getting a password manager that will generate strong logins and store them safely. Then, that antivirus you got to clear your phone, keep it. If you choose Surfshark like me, enable real-time protection right here, so it will watch out for threats 24/7. And if you caught malware from a suspicious website, the next time you browse, use a VPN. Not only will it secure your internet traffic, but it will also block malicious sites and ads, so that you won't have to worry about them anymore. Since Surfshark has a very affordable VPN and antivirus bundle, that's what I use myself for now. But something like NordVPN on mobile is another good option. By the way, if you want a significant discount for either of these tools, check the video description down below. That said, tools aren't 100% foolproof. You still need to be careful. Don't click on random links and, I don't know, maybe clear your cookies and browsing history from time to time just to avoid trackers and whatnot. Also, make sure you update your software. The updates normally contain vulnerability patches that will protect your phone from hackers. And lastly, don't jailbreak phones or alter your phone's OS unless you really know what you're doing. Otherwise, it might leave your phone prone to even more vulnerabilities. So that's how to know if your phone is hacked and what you can do about it. Meet me in the comments to chat about your phone malware incidents, or let me know if you need some additional advice. And subscribe while you're at it, please. And if you're amping up your phone security with tools, don't forget the discount in the description. Cheers.